Tutorial 7, Review Assignments Step 7, asks us to use the HLOOKUP, or horizontal lookup, function in the health cost column. It's asking us to use the health plan rates data, which is located on a different worksheet, the lookup tables worksheet. And it tells us specifically which cell range to use. Here's the lookup tables. $B, remember the dollar sign is an absolute value. So $B2 to $F3, and that's actually $B, $2 to $F, $3, gives us this lookup range. So the horizontal lookup function, the HLOOKUP function, is going to check this data range using one of these values to retrieve one of these values. It gets one of these values from the health plan column. Okay. If it says none, then you get the hyphen. If it says PPOF, you're going to get the 1650. Okay. So let's take a look at what the actual function looks like in the health cost column. So the HLOOKUP function, using the data from the health plan column here, and then the lookup tables worksheet here, and then the absolute columns $B, $2, colon $F, $3. That again, the $B, $2, $F, $3 that says use that range. The 2 means use the second horizontal row to retrieve the actual data. So it's going to use, automatically it's going to use the fields in row 2 based on the data it got from the health plan column to retrieve, the number 2 says use the value from the second row of our range. So again, this is what your answer should look like, the HLOOKUP function for step 7.